Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy GoldStar channel. In this video is the reading practice 9. Right up. Okay, so let's start reading. Repeat after me, okay? Today, today, today. Next word, two, two, two. Next, time, time, time. Next, three, three, three. Okay, next, two, two, two. Next, take, take, take. Next, that, that, that. Next, the. Next, there. Next, them. Next, then. Next, there. Next, they. Next, this. Next, two. Next, off. Next, off. Next, old. Next, on. Next, once. Next word, one. Next, other. Next, hour. Next, out. Next, over. Next, was. Next, we. Next, were. Next word, went. Next, what. Next, when. Next, will. Next word, with. Next, had. Next, has. Next, have. Next, he. Okay, next, her. Next, here. Next, him. Next, his. Next, next, about. Next, after. Next, all. Next, am. Next, an. Next, end. Next, are. Next, as. Next, at. Next, away. Next, saw. saw, saw. Next, said, said, said. Next, see, see, see. Next, she, she, she. Next, so, so, so. Next, some, some, some. Next, call, call, call. Next, came, came, came. Next, can, can, can. Next, come, come, come. Next, could, could, could. Next, made, made, made. Next, make, make, make. Next, me, me, me. Next, my, my, my. Next word, back, back, back. Next, be, be, be. Next, because, because, because. Next, big, big, big. Next, but, but, but. Next, buy, buy, buy. Next, did, did, did. Next word, do, do, do. Next, down, down, down. And the last, you, you, you. Okay? Now let's repeat, okay? Today, to, time, 3, to, take, that, the, there, them, then, there, they, this, to, of, old, on, once, one, other, hour, out, over, was, we, were, went, what, when, will, with, had, has, have, he, her, here, him, his, about, after, all, am, an, end, are, as, at, away, saw, said, see, she, so, some, call, came, can, come, could, made, make, me, my, back, be, because, big, but, by, did, do, down, you. Now let's just repeat some of the words that are crucial to spelling and sound. Okay. To, two. Next, two. Okay, 2 O's there, 1 O here. Next, two. Okay, this is the number 2. All right, next. 3, 3, 3. Next. That, that, that. Next. The. Next. There, there. Next. Them. Next. Then. Next. There. Okay, this has the same sound with this one. Okay, there. Okay, next. They. Next. This. Next. Off. Next. Off. Okay, 2 F's here, single F there. Okay, next. Once. Next. One. Okay, next. Hour. Next. Out. Okay, next. What? Next. When. Next. With. Okay, next. Her. Next. Here. Okay, next. An. End. Okay, next. Saw. Next. Said. Next. See. Next. She. Next. Came. Next. Come. Next. Could. Next. Made. Next. Make. Okay, next. Because. Okay, next. Did. Next. Do. And last. Down. Okay, good. So we are done with the 9th reading practice. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Stick around for the next video, and bye for now.